As global textile waste continues to grow, old clothes recycling is no longer optional, it's becoming a necessity. Millions of tons of used garments end up in landfills every year, while more recycling plants are now looking for efficient ways to turn textile waste into reusable materials or RDF fuel. However, shredding old clothes is far from easy. Clothes are soft, flexible, and often mixed with zippers, buttons, labels, and different fiber types. Traditional shredders easily get wrapped, clogged, or overloaded, leading to unstable operation, high maintenance costs, and low output. This is where the spiral shredder makes a real difference. Unlike conventional blade designs, the spiral cutting structure pulls the material in gradually instead of grabbing everything at once. This means less wrapping, smoother feeding, and continuous cutting, even for long fibers and mixed textiles. The spiral blades create a self-cleaning cutting action, reducing downtime and keeping the machine running stable for long hours. Output size is consistent, making the shredded clothes ideal for RDF production, secondary recycling, or further processing. As textile recycling continues to expand worldwide, choosing the right shredding technology is the key to profitability. And for old clothes, the spiral shredder is built exactly for that challenge.